Today I will be drawing with the Ohuhu markers. Out of all the markers that I've tried, these definitely blend and layer the best, which is really great because it means you don't need as many markers. If you don't have the color that you need, you can just layer markers to get the right color. And you're definitely going to want to start light when you do this. The lighter the color you start with, the more color variations you're going to be able to get when you layer, because if you start dark, it's going to be a lot harder to change that color. For the line art, I am using the Ohuhu fine liners because I find that they never bleed with Ohuhu markers. Microns will bleed with alcohol markers, but the Ohuhu ones work really well when you're putting the line art down first like I do. So I decided to show a little bit of the process for some of the more complicated videos that I make with little animations. This is a project that I'm currently working on for To Be Hero X, and this is just 4 frames of a slightly longer animation that I'll be doing for a larger project. I thought it would be kind of fun to show a little bit of the behind the scenes because I don't normally show that part of it. And normally when I make a video, these little frames are only in it for like a split second and then hours of work for just a split second. So I thought it would be nice to kind of show the process of making those frames for once. And as for the paper that I use, I am using Canson mixed media here. I've used Ohuhu mixed media as well, and both of them, in my opinion, work just as well. The Ohuhu one's a little bit smoother, so maybe it blends a little better, but the Canson one bleeds a little bit less, so it kind of depends on your preference. I'll use them interchangeably though, and I can't always even tell the difference between the two. I think they both work great. And as for the actual markers, it's a pretty good arrangement of colors. It's not too big, so it makes it pretty easy to travel with, and it also has more markers than some of the other sets that I've seen, so I'd say the color variety that it includes, as well as the amount of markers, is a pretty nice set for like a travel case, and it's easy to take it on the road. The only color I kind of wish that it had was like a lighter flesh tone color, but other than that, I liked all the colors in this set, so definitely recommend it. So as you can see here, this is kind of the final animation. I probably will be adding in a few more frames, but this kind of gives you the idea of how I do it and what I do.